My screen is visible? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So in the last lecture, I was explained what is nutrient, what is nutrition, right? What is mean by nutrients? There are six nutrients. Nutrient consists of carbohydrate, protein, lipids, mineral, vitamin, and water, right? And next is the nutrition means nutrition is deal with the life process by which the body uses food for energy, growth, and health. And optimum nutrition means proper nutrition for a life process of body, for a proper energy, proper growth, proper health and reserve. So it's also called as a balanced diet. Okay, last lecture में हम लोगों ने देखे nutritions किसको बोलते हैं, what is the nutrition, what is nutrients, right? Now I explain the next question. So the next question number 2 is the give the given give the guidelines for the nutrition health. Question number 2 is give the guidelines for a nutrition health. So nutrition means what? It's deal with the life process by which body uses a food for a energy growth and health. Okay, same points है. So the nutrition deal with life process by which body uses food for energy, growth and health. So there are seven main classes of nutrients. What are they? Means these are carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral, fiber and water. And it is important that everyone consume these seven nutrients on a daily basis to help them build their bodies and maintain their health. Okay, but deficiencies, excess and imbalance in diet can produce a negative impact on health. इसका इन सारी चीजों का negative impact पड़ता है ना हमारी health पे, which may lead to disease. So these help you to so this is help you for the growth and energy, health. Okay. Next is the amount of water in body, nutritional status. These all points I was explained. Next is the importance of nutrition. What is the importance of nutrition? Nutrition is important for the proper growth, proper health, proper development of human resources, proper development of nations. So these are the some importance of the nutritions. Okay. So in nutrients, there are two type of nutrients, means macronutrients or a micronutrients. Means the nutrients are categorized into two groups. These are macronutrients which should be consumed in fairly large amount and the micronutrients which are only required in a small amount. Okay, so though two types of macro nutrients are present in nutrient means macronutrients or a micronutrient. So macro means large, right? Macro means what? Large means large nutrient. Macronutrients, as their name suggests, these the nutrients which people need to eat regularly and in a fairly large amount. So they include carbohydrates, fats, means macronutrients include carbohydrate, fats, protein, fiber, and water. So these substances are needed for the supply of energy growth. Okay, substances are needed for the supply of energy and growth for the metabolism and other body functions. So the macronutrients are used for the energy and growth, for a metabolism and other body functions. So metabolism means macronutrient is used for the metabolism. So metabolism means what? Metabolism means the process involved in the generation of energy, huh? Generation of energy and all the building blocks required to maintain the body and its function. It's called as metabolism. Okay. So macronutrients provide a lot of calories, but the amount of calories varies depending on the food sources, right? Calories and amount of calories is depending upon food sources. For example, each gram of carbohydrate or protein provide of 4 calories, while fat provides 9 calories for each gram. Okay, each gram of carbohydrate or protein provide only 4 calories, while a fat provides 9 calories for each gram. Okay, so this is the macronutrient. Next is the micronutrients. Micronutrients means micro means the small, same as a macro means large. है ना? So same micronutrients means small, or a micronutrients are the substance which people need in their diets in only a small amount. Means micronutrient we intake in the small amount, and these include mineral and vitamin in the form of mineral and vitamins. Okay, but instead of macronutrients, we intake carbohydrate, protein, fats. Okay, so these include micronutrient include minerals and vitamins. So although most foods are mixture of nutrients, so many of them contain a lot of one nutrient and a little of the other nutrients. Food are often grouped according to the nutrient that they contain in the abundance. Okay, so food that contain a lot of protein are called bodybuilding foods. ऐसे foods जो build protein contain karte, right? So foods that contain a lot of protein are called as a bodybuilding foods or growing foods. We can say the growing food because it contain a lot of protein. Okay, so food that contain a lot of fat or a carbohydrate, perhaps only a little protein, are called as a energy giving foods. So food that contain a lot of carbohydrate, it is called as a energy giving foods, because carbohydrates provide energy to the body, right? Carbohydrate जो है वो energy provide करता है, so it is called as a energy giving food. So food in which the most important nutrients are vitamin or minerals and called as a protective foods. Means if the food contain a lot of protein, so the food it called as a growing food or a bodybuilding food. When the food contain carbohydrate and carbohydrate contain, so it is called if the food contain carbohydrate or protein, so it is called as a energy giving food. And the food in which the most important nutrients are vitamin mineral contain, so it is called as a protective foods. Okay, growing food, energy giving food, or a protective foods. There are three types of foods, three type of nutrients in present in the foods. And what are the three nutrients? Type of three nutrients: growing food, energy giving food, and protective food. Growing food contain protein. Okay, energy giving food contain carbohydrate, and the protective food contain vitamin and minerals. Hope you all of you understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so next point is the guideline for a nutritional health. Firstly, we have to know a balanced diet. Okay, I will explain what is balanced diet. Then हम next point पे आते हैं guidelines for the nutritional health. So balanced diet, several eating a balanced diet means choosing a wide variety of food and drink from all the food groups. Eating a balanced diet means choosing wide variety of foods, means different healthy foods, drinks from all the food groups. जो फूड ग्रुप्स होता है, फूड चार्ट होता है, उससे हम क्या ले रहे हैं? सिर्फ वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ फूड हेल्दी means it contain nutrient. So it also means eating certain thing in small amount, namely saturated fats, cholesterol, simple sugar, salt, and alcohol. The goal is to take in all of the nutrient you need for the health at the recommended level. Okay, and perhaps restricts so those things that are not good for the body. So, to know if the diet is balanced and to plan a balanced diet, you have to think about two things. What are the things? So, the mixture of food and the amount of food is most important thing for the balanced diet. Means mixture of food, which food we intake for the balanced diet, and how much the amount of food. These two things are very important in the balanced diet. Okay, so we have to know that if the diet is balanced. So firstly क्या करना है? Plan. To plan a balanced diet, you have to think about plan a balanced diet. So वॉइस आ रही है मेरी? हेलो?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next point is guidelines for the nutritional health. Nutritional health means overeating, overeating. Okay, avoid क्या करना है? Overeating को. Then regularity means maintain regularity in nutrition, food intakes. Regularity होनी चाहिए, maintain regularity in the nutrition. Then avoid excessive means avoid excessive salt. Don't use salt excessively in the food, and spices, sweets. Okay, avoid excessive salt, spices, sweets. Next is the avoid cholesterol. Avoid food rich in cholesterol and saturated fats. Then avoid salt and spices on food. So avoid addition of salt and spices on food. These are the some guidelines. Next is the natural food, means natural food in nutrition. And the balanced diet, use different nutrients in the balanced diet. Okay, so these are the some guidelines for the nutritional health. Firstly, I was explain what is nutrient, what is nutrition, then what is the definition of optimum nutrition, then what is the amount of water in the body, then what is the importance of nutrition, and the last point is the guideline for the nutritional health. Okay, next question is write short note on food pyramid. All of you know what is food pyramid? What is mean by food pyramid? What is food pyramid? Means it help us identify the food group. Okay, food pyramid means it shows or it help us identify the food groups people should combine in order to make a balanced diet. So the food group at the top of the pyramid should be eaten in moderation, means small amount. जो top होता है वहाँ पे small amount होती है, right? But food groups at the bottom of the pyramid should be eaten in a larger amount. Okay, the group at the top of the pyramid should be eaten in a moderation, means a small amount, but the food groups at the bottom of the pyramid should be eaten in a larger amount. This is the difference. Okay, so the mixture of food is used in the food pyramid, means the staple food is the common type of food that is consumed by the community, and it should be part of balanced diet because it is the main part of the most meal. So the staple diet may vary from the region to region. For example, injera in the staple diet in a many sites, maize or maize in other area, then kochu in the southern part of the country. So these food are usually cheap and provide the most of the energy, protein, fiber in a meal. Okay, and as well as vitamin, some vitamins also. So the balanced diet means proper nutrient for a life process, health and reserve is called as a balanced diet. Okay. So nutrition deal with life process by which bodies uses food for energy, growth and health. Same points रहेंगे starting में, means what is nutrient, what is nutrition, then who is the father of nutrition, means Antoine Lavoisier. Then importance of nutrition, it means what are the importance? It used for the proper growth, proper health, proper development of human resources. Okay, and the main point is the food pyramid. So publication means food pyramid was first published in Sweden in 1974. Okay, firstly published कब हुआ है वो 1974 in Sweden. Then US Department of Agriculture published food guide pyramids. So there are six parts in food pyramid. Like it has a six horizontal parts, six food types. It contain six food types. What are the six types? Means first is a at the bottom cereals like rice. Then next is vegetable, fruits. Then next is milk product, and a meat, egg, nuts, pulses. Okay, and the last at the top, oil and sweets are present. So the broad food group is based in form of broad means cereals like a rice. Two to three food groups. It is made up of fruits and vegetable. टू टू थर्ड ग्रुप जो है फूड का वो किस पे मेड अप करता है? इट इज मेड अप ऑफ fruit and vegetable. Then fourth and fifth food group is made up of protein food such as a milk product as well as the pulses, meat, egg, nuts. Okay, and the sixth food group is made up of lipids and sweets, and it is very smallest group. So the sixth group is very smallest group. And generally food pyramid, this is the general food pyramid, specific food pyramid differ from each other because it is on the basis of the age of the person. So the food pyramid for the adult person is firstly food pyramid for the pregnant woman, then एज वाइज फूड पिरामिड्स होते हैं, लाइक फर्स्टली क्या है, एज फूड पिरामिड फॉर द एडल्ट पर्सन. नेक्स्ट कैसे रहेगा, फॉर द प्रेग्नेंट वुमन, देन नर्सिंग मदर्स. Okay, nursing mothers means the breastfeeding mothers. Okay, so next is food pyramid for the adolescents. Adolescence means 13 to 18 age is the adolescence age. So the pyramid, food pyramid for the adolescents is different, then food pyramid for the adult is different. Next is the food pyramid for children, for aging and age pupils. Okay, तो एज वाइज पीपल के लिए डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पिरामिड्स होते हैं. ओके, means pyramid provide a nutrient that may not be available in the staple food, for the example legumes such as peas, beans. Okay, so the carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral, water, and fibers are the main group of nutrient. These all are the main group of nutrients. और ये सारे किस में included रहते हैं, one food pyramid में. उसके according वहाँ पे food pyramid construct होता है. Means का the main group of nutrients which together but in variable amount make up a balanced diet. So the nutrients are a group into a macronutrients and micronutrient. Nutrients are the two type, macro and micronutrients. So the carbohydrate, protein, fat and water are a macronutrients, and the vitamin, mineral are the micronutrients. Okay, so although most food are a mixture of nutrients and many of them contain a lot of one nutrient and a little of the other nutrient, food are often grouped according to the nutrients that they contain abundance. Okay.